At the Office of Lifelong Learning, we developed MyL3Plan, a free, accredited platform that helps physicians track their practice improvement and professional development while meeting the College of Physicians and Surgeons of Alberta, CPSA, Physician Practice Improvement Program, PPIP requirements. MyL3Plan promotes self-reflection to identify areas and advance practice with an emphasis on developing a concrete plan for implementing practice changes. It provides physicians the opportunity to develop educational strategies based on their learning needs, identify their gaps, and establish the outcomes through an iterative process of quality improvement. MyL3Plan can be used to meet and support the required CPSA practice improvement activities and earn CME credits by completing the following cycles: practice-driven quality improvement activity using objective data, CQI, personal development, PD, and Standards of Practice Quality Improvement Activity, SOP. Getting started with MyL3Plan is easy. Just visit myl3plan.ca/register or scan the QR code to create your account. After registering, you'll receive your login credentials by email. Then, simply visit myl3plan.ca to log in and access MyL3Plan's tools and resources. The MyL3Plan cycles can be applied to any element of the profession, including quality improvement, education, research, administration, and clinical practice. It can be accessed as many times as needed and completed as many cycles as required. The MyL3Plan has been certified by the College of Family Physicians of Canada for up to 12 MainPro Plus certified assessment activity credits. Royal College members can claim MOC Section 3, feedback and improvement credits under the individual improvement and self-directed improvement activities. Once you register, you will receive your MyL3Plan login credentials by email. To access an activity cycle, visit the MyL3Plan website and scroll down to the Activity Cycles section. Select the cycle you would like to complete and log in using your credentials when prompted. If you forget your password, simply click the Forgot My Password link to reset it. Complete the 5 steps of the cycles at your own pace. Your progress is automatically saved as you move through each step, allowing you to log out and return at any time. You can also share access with a QI facilitator or team member to support you throughout the process. To complete the CQI cycle, reflect on your practice, identify an area for improvement, and use objective data to complete a practice-driven quality improvement action plan. These can be related to clinical performance data, patient outcomes data, or audit of processes of care. Some of the activities you could use to create your personal development cycle are audit and feedback, multi-source feedback reviews, performance reviews from colleagues, teaching evaluations, or patient surveys and reflections after attending educational activities, such as webinars, completing courses, or workshops that will help you advance your skills as communicator, collaborator, leader, medical expert, or health advocate. For the Standards of Practice cycle, reflect on your practice and identify areas for improvement or development. Use the 5-step PPI cycle to create and complete a Standards of Practice action plan that supports ongoing professional growth and compliance. The Office of Lifelong Learning offers a range of resources to support your learning plan, including workshops, webinars, leadership development opportunities, and free on-demand recorded webinars and Pearls for Practice summaries. Explore flexible learning options designed to support your professional growth and enhance your practice. Visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter to receive updates.